You confirm you do not know how many did. That's the confirmation statement.
Yes, my lord.
So if you did not, if you don't know the number, is it then attributable? Would it be attributable to your averment in paragraph 11? Because that's what you want to state. Are you attributing this to, again, the allegation that electoral materials and documents are destroyed? Is that the source of your information? I'm trying to make sense out of this. No agents, not talk about this, but then you talk about it. Are you attributing it to your statement that electoral materials and documents were destroyed? That's
my lord,
11.
Paragraph 11, page 7.
13 of your affidavit, 013, the petition. Go to your affidavit. Please, let's restrict ourselves to, I'm only in 2 paragraphs, 9, 10, 11.
I will state it, my lord. The paragraph, I say that I'm further informed by the aforementioned persons, which information I verily believe to be true and correct, that during the counting of the votes at the said polling stations, there was violence and chaos and commotion, as a result of which there was no results declared and transmitted for those polling stations. And second, the electoral materials and documents were destroyed, my lord.
So you confirm that there was counting. In paragraph 11, it's your statement, there was counting. You state this, you are reading it, there was counting, according to paragraph 11.
Yes, my lord.
Confirm. And that during counting, ordinarily agents write, because there is counting. Ordinarily.
My lord,
You confirm.
in an ordinary circumstances,
Yes.
yes, my lord. But this was not ordinary.
Between 7 to 4. Okay, counting people who have turned up to vote. 7 to 4. Ordinarily. Would they write is turned up? Because you say you don't know the number of those who turned up. At least, what is that they gave you from the roles as stated by you?
My lord, in the 14 polling stations, we did not receive the results as mentioned.
So, are you running away from paragraph 11, aforementioned person, that there was counting of votes at the said polling stations? Are you retracting this evidence? So that we know which you're retracting and
No,
what
my
you're
lord,
holding back.
I'm not
So you stand by that there was counting? Okay. Yes, going back to you attributing these issues to the materials destroyed, as you've stated in paragraph 11. Can you state what you, Nambi, know the electoral materials and documents referred to? You just named those that were destroyed.
According to the agents reporting to me, my lord, I was informed that the ballots, the containers that carry the ballots, and then also the biometric machines were some of the documents, the items that were destroyed on that day, and others were the desks.
Did you have such evidence in your petition on the ballots that were destroyed in your evidence? Do you have any? Yes or no? Ballots, these ballots. Well, I'll take you back.
Yes, my lord. And
Yeah,
they are electromaterials. The
So
ballots are
ballots.
still electromaterials.
So ballots were one of those.
And the documents.
Do you know that one of the, ordinarily, what happens at the polling station, the ballot books a number of ballots before you even commence are the primary issues determined that there are two booklets, this number of ballots at the given polling station. Did you at least receive that information between 7 and 4?
My lord, according to the affidavits of the agents, they confirm that at the start of the elections, there was compliance.
So compliance at the start, how many ballots did Kalemba tell you? At least those which were destroyed because they are disclosed. Kalemba Herbert at Mbogo Primary School, you have such evidence. So that we ascertain. Given number of ballots were dropped and were destroyed. Do you have this in evidence?
I just got information about the polling stations where the chaos destroyed
You
these
do not have the evidence
materials,
about
my
the
lord.
number of ballot papers.
No, my lord.
So I'm getting it that apart from the chaos, violence, even when it was smooth as stated, the agents did not report anything about the voting exercise.
No, my lord.
Despite the calm at the start. Okay, do you have evidence then on the containers, those about boxes, in your petition? I need the evidence. How are they destroyed? Were they burnt down? Do you have any such evidence? And you say containers, ballot boxes, in your petition. Doesn't matter whether it's hearsay.
No, my lord, but it's encompassed in the electoral materials and documents that were destroyed, my lord.
So you leave it to us to imagine, is that your case? Is it in this petition? How many, the number, and how?
No, my lord.
It's not. BBVK. What is the BBVK? You mentioned BBVK, something. You educate me. You mentioned it as one of the, because I am imagining how BBVK was destroyed. And the information, most important. Tell us, do you know the BBVK machine?
The biometric machine, my lord, yes, I know it.
Just tell us about the BBVK.